2005 Honda Odyssey EX. Had a lot of squealing, and my wife said that she heard a loud bang and thought it was power steering pump, but finally found out these are the tines on the power steering pump. And then as we pan down to the bottom, I'm going to go in there, and then you should be able to see, where is it, right there, and those tines are missing. So that portion just came off and I think fell on the road. That's the noise she heard. So I gotta replace the harmonic balancer pulley. I ordered it, should be here tomorrow. This is a 2005 Honda Odyssey EX, and yesterday my wife heard a loud noise and squealing and everything. Thought it was the power steering pump, but this is what I found out. That's where we are looking at, is the crank pulley or harmonic balancer. The tines are gone. I think that separated, and the loud noise she heard was it just rattling around, falling down on the road. I can't find it here, so I'm gonna remove that, put a new one in. To start with, you gotta remove this splash shield with these connectors. Take a small flathead and go there, and it should pop off. If not, prepare to be replaced with the new one. Closer look, and it's supposed to be looking like those tines here on the AC compressor pulley. Should be similar to that. So the whole thing is missing. Luckily it didn't damage anything else. I can see it anywhere. Thought it would be lying down somewhere. Probably fell on the road. There we go. I finally got the crank pulley off using my neighbor's DeWalt XR and the weighted socket. This one and this took about 15 seconds. Got it off. It's out. And look, this is completely gone. I have a new one coming tomorrow. To get this crank pulley out, first I tried with the Chicago Electric Impact. Didn't work. With the crank holding tool and also weighted socket, nothing happened. And I tried the long extension with the breaker bar and the cheater pipe. Didn't work. All that didn't work. Finally ended up borrowing the DeWalt 20 volt XR Max from my neighbor, and I took it off in about 15 seconds. And here is the original, and this is an aftermarket new one. So this whole tine fell off with a loud bang. It's completely ripped out. This is about 20 years old. It's an aftermarket one. This is the bolt. Almost done with the crank pulley replacement. Here is the new pulley, and then on the right is the original one with the missing tines. Clean this area well with the brake clean, and I'm ready to mount the new harmonic balancer or crank pulley. I have the crank pulley holding tool with the breaker bar, extendable breaker bar, and then I have this torque wrench which goes up to 250 pounds per. But I think the torque spec for the 2005 Honda Odyssey for the crank bolt is 181 foot-pounds. So I have it set to 181, and I may need to jack it up a little higher before I can complete the torque. I have completed the torque setting of 181 foot-pounds. So now it's ready to receive the serpentine belt. All other pulleys This is the AC compressor. That's the tensioner pulley. All of them seem to be okay. I'm also going to do an oil change before I complete. So look between the original one. This is 20 years old, and the new aftermarket version. Started the engine. First factory. Looking good. Looks good. I'll check the oil level again, and then put the engine cover, and done.